Hi, this is Jake from ScanPower. I'm going to show you how to handle finishing up a shipment in Boxt. So there are two ways to send contents of the boxes to Amazon from Boxt. The first is to print box labels. We select which boxes we want to print labels for, and we click this print button here, and that will allow us to print labels we can attach to the boxes, and when we send those to Amazon, Amazon will be able to figure out the contents of the boxes from those labels. The other way to do this is to send the box contents to Amazon electronically. This process works a little differently if the shipment is LTL or SPD. We're going to go through this process using an LTL shipment because an SPD shipment is it's almost the same process for an SPD shipment, only there's less to do for an SPD shipment. So we're going to show as much as we can by doing an LTL shipment. So having said that, the first thing we'll need to do for an LTL shipment is define the dimensions of the boxes and of the pallet or pallets you're going to use. One thing you should note is that there is a weight limit, or weight minimum I should say. When defining a pallet weight, the system won't recognize this as an LTL shipment if you're not sending at least 150 pounds worth of products, so be sure to keep that in mind. When we're done editing these dimensions, we can click on this Save button, and from there we will be good to click on Send Contents. If this is an SPD shipment, we can click on Send Contents immediately, and that will take us to this dialog. This contact info section is also exclusive to LTL. We don't have to worry about this if we're in SPD. And this checkbox is relevant to both. This is where we can choose to purchase partnered shipping, which we will do for this example. So from here we can fill out this information, click this checkbox, and we will click on OK. What will happen is the content status for this shipment will go from working to estimating, and from there we have to wait for the system to send carton feeds to Amazon. It will be done when it goes from estimating to estimated, which you may see up here. I did that waiting ahead of time to save us time, so I'm going to skip this step of clicking OK, but just know that once you do, all you have to do is wait for this to go from estimating to estimated. So once it's gone to estimated, we can click on this link. That'll bring up this dialog. So we just click on I agree to the terms and conditions. For an LTL shipment, we'll have half an hour or 30 minutes to confirm shipping charges. So we'll go ahead and do that. And the status will go from confirming to confirmed, and then we'll be ready to print labels. We'll need to print labels for our pallet and box labels. And once you do that, you've confirmed that actually that's not quite right. You have an hour to avoid the shipping charges, and if you don't do that, then the shipment will go through as planned. And to send the shipment out, you'll have to print these pallet labels and box labels, and you can see here, pickup date is an estimate. Amazon will notify you when the carrier is ready. So once you print the labels, it's just a matter of waiting for Amazon's instructions. But we are not going to print the labels because I don't want to be charged for this shipment. So we're going to avoid this. And those are the two ways of sending Boxt contents to Amazon. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at help.scanpower.com. Till next time.